Welcome to Blue Hat Bookkeeping. I'm Andrew, one of the co-founders here over at Blue Hat Bookkeeping. And on this channel, we're here to make managing your business finances simple and stress-free. Whether you're in the real estate business, supporting real estate services, or an e-commerce seller, I'm sure this video will help you. Let's dive into today's tip and strategy to help you take control of your bookkeeping and growing your business.
Thank you, Andrew. Hello everyone, Hanish here and welcome to the channel. Today I got a great question in our mailbox from John G, a property owner, which I think a lot of you might find helpful. We are talking about repairs versus replacement, especially what happens when you have to replace a roof on a rental property. Let's dive into it. I had to replace the roof on my rental property after a heavy rainstorm caused significant damage. The roof was over 19 years old and the replacement cost me $25,000. I know that repairs can be deducted as an expense in the same year, but a roof replacement needs to be depreciated over 27 and a half years. But how do we draw the line between repairs and replacement? Is it that a repair is just to fix it and make it functional, and a replacement is to improve and add more value to it? Will my case be considered a repair or replacement? Appreciate any advice. Thanks, John, for clarifying the question, and it's definitely one that many property owners face it. Let's break the key concept. So, what's exactly a repair? In taxation terms, a repair is any work you do that keeps the property in its current operating condition without adding any significant value or extending the life of the property. Think of it as if like patching a small hole in the roof or fixing a leak. That's generally a repair. The benefit here is that you can fully expense in the year you pay for them. On the other hand, a replacement or improvement is something that adds significant value. It extends the useful life or adapts the property for a new use. Normally, replacing the entire roof is treated as a replacement or improvement. Now, let's talk about specific situation. Your roof was 19 years old and storm damage forced you to replace the entire thing for $25,000. Well, the IRS sees this whole roof replacement as something that adds value to the property. It's not like just patching up a damage. If you had only repaired a section of the roof, that might lean more towards a repair. But since the old roof is out and the new one is in, it's almost certainly that IRS will consider it as an improvement. The question now is how do you handle the $25,000 that you paid for from the taxation perspective? You'll have to consider it as an improvement where you will capitalize the cost and depreciate it over 27 and a half years. That means you'll deduct a small portion of the cost each year instead of taking the full deduction in the year you paid for it. I know it doesn't sound as exciting as a full write-off, but still is a way to recoup the expense over time. Alright, let's sum it up. A repair is a simple fix while a replacement is a major upgrade. In your case, replacing the entire roof is like a replacement that needs to be depreciated. And if you've got any question for this video, drop it in the comments. If anyone have any questions, write to help@bluehatbookkeeping.com. And if you need help with your bookkeeping and business strategies, book a call with us. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to keep your bookkeeping simplified and your business finances in check. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content from Blue Hat Bookkeeping drops. We'll see you on the next video.